crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and this is Fancy Fold collab with Stamp Girl, who is Paige. And I was looking for something different, and I think I found it. I don't know how many. I haven't seen a lot of these out on Pinterest or anything, but I could be wrong. I think I originally saw something very similar to this that Sarah Davies did with her Ultimate, as far as folding and things like that go, and I'm not quite sure the name of it, but it's a fancy fold card. So I did it two different ways, and so let me show you. Open it up, and there you go. It's almost, I don't know if they call it a tunnel card, but anyway, I will show you just really quickly, and I'll put a link down below on where I found it, one of the easier ones that I saw. But how cute is that? And what I did is just, you can see there's an opening here, and then you look inside, and I put little bunnies, and it says Happy Easter in there. Isn't that cute? Now you can also do it, and I've seen this before, where you can hang something from here and be almost like a spinner card. I was going to do one, but I just didn't have the time for it, so thought that was adorable. Now what I did do was I did it the other which way. So instead of, and these are A2 cards, as I did it this way. So you could, and actually this will fold down. I have to cut that off. So it is an A2 card, but it looks like that. And on the inside it says, "You're a bowl of sunshine." So it kind of looks like a fishbowl. How cute. But that was, I mean, it took me a while to do. And I popped these all up with some, well, actually, I'm making my own pop-up material to put on the back of it. I didn't have any foam tape or anything like that. So, but I will show you very, very quickly how this is done. So I'll show you this one. So just cut your card base, and you could do it either way. You could do it, and let me just cut this off. This is bothering me. So I just didn't trim that piece off because it is an A2 card. It's the same size as the other one. There you go. You can see that now. So I will just show you how I did it this way because it's something that I hadn't seen before. I had to just kind of figure it out. So I took an A2 size card that opens from the top, and then you get another piece of paper, a 10 by 4 piece of paper, and that'll be the inside. I just put a different piece on here. This would act as the stamping area or whatever you wanted to do on it. Then you take another piece, and this is 11 by 4 1/8. So it's a little narrow, a little shorter, a little longer, a little wider. And why you need that is because you want this to you know, pop up like that. So you want this back piece to be a little shorter. So what you do is you cut those pieces, and then you take this piece and you fold it into quarters. So you would fold it in half, then fold it in half again, and in half again. Okay? And then you would take the center, and I just used, I had Doris embossing ovals die set, and so I just used the second to the largest, and I cut that out. And then you can use this, you can use these two together and cut the piece that would be on the inside here, almost like a frame. You can figure that one out. So cut any shape you want. It could be an oval, square, circle, could be whatever you like. So cut that in the center of that, and then what you need to do is just take these two pieces, and you have to make sure that you match these ends together. And what I did is I did the whole side here. So you would do this whole side and attach it, but you want to make sure that you're going to do that at that end, meet it, and then I'll put a little piece here and a little piece there, and you get the idea. You just would meet those pieces up and center it. And there you go there. And then before you would do that, you would put whatever you want on the inside. So if you wanted some die cutted pieces, or you just want to stamp, you want to put, you could put a larger piece, however you want to do it. And of course, this would open this way, so you'd want it to be that way. If you're doing it this way, you do it that way. Get it? Good. So then you would just slip this in, and it would be whichever one you're using, whether you're using it this way or the other way. You just slip it in to there, and then glue or tape those in like that, and then these pieces will open like this. So if you want to make it just a tad smaller, like I did on one of these, you can have a border. You can put your paper on here so it matches. You can put different papers here. You can fancy it up however you like. This is just the mechanism, how you would do it. So then you're opening it up, and there, in this case, it would be this way. There's your card. Well, I guess you could do it that way as well. It wouldn't matter, would it? No, you can do it either which way, but I did it that way just for something different. There you go. There's my tunnel card, or whatever we want to call it. And I thought that those were very cute, very different. And I hope that you're crafting these days, getting something done, sending out some cards to some people who need a little encouragement out there. And we will see you real soon. Go craft. Bye-bye.